Here are my 6 steps on how to throw the lead hook or the number 3. So we start in boxing stance. As always, our punch starts at our left foot. I point, step 2 is point my hip to my target. Step 3 is my punch wants to follow that rotation. So it comes behind the rotation, it doesn't lead the rotation. So I can use all that power that's coming up the chain. Step 4 is long range, thumb up. Short range, palm down. Step 5, right hand protects, left shoulder protects the other side. And step 6, as always, we always come back to our original stance. That's my 6 steps on how to throw a lead hook.